Okay, today we're going to do a quick review of areas of figures. Okay, we're going to start with squares and rectangles. Okay, we already know the formulas. We have them in our projects in the classroom. Okay, we'll have those available for us at the moment of the test. Okay, so let's do this exercises, and there will be other exercises in a link under this video. Okay, so make sure to check them out because this will be part of your accumulative points. Okay, so you have to hand them in whenever we return to class. Okay, so let's start with these two. They're pretty basic. Okay, we have the formulas in red, we have the figures in green, okay, and we have the measurements in blue. Okay, so let's get to work. We already know that a square has 4 equal sides, so that means that if we have one side, we'll have the other 4. Okay, the formula for a square, for the area of a square, is a side to the second power. Okay, so if we have that this side is 4.2, okay, we'll take that side and we'll elevate it to the second power. Now remember, if the measurement is in meters, okay, we'll need to work the area in meters squared. Okay, okay, so when we have 4.2 to the square, okay, if we do it in our calculators, we'll have 17.64 meters square. Okay, because this is the units. Okay, the original units were meters. In areas, we're talking about meters square. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, now let's work the rectangle. Okay, with the rectangle, we have that the area of this rectangle is base times height. Okay, so let's take this long side as the base, okay, because the base is usually in the rectangle, the base is the longer side, and the height is going to be this one. Okay, so if we have that this side is 8.2, okay, and we have that the base is 2 times, okay, one of the sides, so that means that we have to work this one first. Okay, so let's work on the base first. Okay, so we know that it's 2a. Okay, so that means that it's 2 times 8.2, okay, units. In this case, we don't have units. Okay, so that means that the base is going to be 16.4 units. Right now, we're still working only with units, okay, because we're just doubling. It's not to the square. Okay. Now that we have the base, we can work the area of the rectangle, and we have base times height, and that's going to be 8.2 units times 16.4 units, and the area is going to be 134.48 units square. Okay, and there we have the area of the rectangle. Okay, so in this case, the only thing that we did different is that we had a small equation on the base of the rectangle. Okay, so it's only 2 times the side of the height. Okay, so we work that first so that we can have the real value of the base, and then we do the multiplication to find the area. And remember, they have to be in squared units. Okay, so under this video, you'll find a link with some exercises, and then we'll work. Every video will contain 2 figures. Okay, so right now it's only squares and rectangles. Next video is going to be trapezoid and rhombus. Okay, so under this video, you'll find the link for the exercises for this lesson. Okay, make sure to check them out and to resolve them.